Letos so se poimenovali Olgo Planet in na tako ljubo imenovani Olgici seveda zelo radi raziskujejo, zato so se podali na razborljivo znanstveno raziskovalno potovanje, ki jih je pripeljalo do velikih spoznanj, do odkritij, do zanimivosti. Najbolj jih je navdušilo odkritje planeta Olgica, ki ga že 40 let oblikujejo različne generacije učencev, učiteljev, drugih zaposlenih, staršev, dedkov in babic. Ti s svojim znanjem in talenti oblikujejo edinstveno skupnost, delo in življenje na šoli. Olgica je tako planet, kjer različne generacije živijo v miru, v veselju, v ustvarjalnosti, zato jim novih idej nikoli ne zmanjka. So še mi zaupali. Predstavlja se vam torej Olgo Planet, na katerem bivajo Olgo raziskovalci, ki so se na različne načine lotili raziskovanja planeta Olgica. Med njimi lahko tudi tako opazite znanstvenika z področja biologije, kemije, fizike in astronomije. Pa poglejmo njihov nastop. Malo aplauza, drago občinstvo, za osnovne šole, Ptuja kot prva, osnovna šola Olge Meglič.
The first primary school presenting today, let's give a round of applause.
I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. And then the witch doctor, he told me what to do. He told me
on an exciting scientific research trip which led them to great insights, discoveries, and attractions. They were most impressed by the discovery of the planet Olgica, which has been shaped by generations of students, teachers, and other employees, parents, and grandparents. With their knowledge and talent, they form a unique community, work, and life at school. Olgica is a planet where different generations live in peace, joy, and creativity, so they never run out of new ideas. This is Olgo Planet, which is home to Olgo scientists who have undertaken different various explorations of the planet Olgica. Among them, you can see scientists in different fields: biology, chemistry, physics, and astronomy. And this was their beautiful performance. Let's give them a hand. Thank you so much. This was the first of our primary schools.
Olgo Planetu z enim velikim aplauzom. Ko bo Matej Tonin, šolski minister, podal kakšen evro več za raziskovanje, tako tudi na Olgico, pozdravljeni.